Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Student, today I am going to take your BGS class for the student of class 7. So, our today's topic assignment 1 from BGS subject. Okay. So, let's get started our class. Student, it is your assignment number 1, subject BGS. Okay, and it is second week's assignment. Now have a look on this topic assignment, class 7, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, assignment 1. Now assignment title, chapter 1, Liberation Movement of Bangladesh. So student, that means you have to prepare this whole assignment based on this topic, Liberation Movement of Bangladesh, and this topic is taken from your chapter 1. Title of the assignment, Political Events 1952 to 1970. Analysis of the importance of the flow of the political events from the language movement to the election of 1970. And learning topic, students can explain the language movement event, be able to describe the achievement of Bengalis through United Front. Number 3, be able to explain the 6-point movement. Number 4, be able to explain the importance and events of the mass uprising. And number 5, be able to describe the absolute victory in the election of 1970 and guidelines for writing assignment. Now we will see how you will prepare your assignment. I will help you through some clues. Number 1, the table will be written in a series of important political events from 1952 to 1970. So you will write first, you will write the list of the important political events that happened from 1952 to 1970. Okay, now I am giving example. First, make a table like this. On the left side, you can write here year, and the right side political event. We know the political event started here from 1952. So first one is 1952. So language movement. Right here language movement. And last one 1970 and national election. And you have to give here other important political events that happened between these two, okay, 1952 to 1970 serially. Now number 2 questions, sequential description of any event, any one event selected from the table. From this table you have to select only one topic and write about this topic in details, but you have to maintain sequence. Okay, now I am giving an example, like I am giving here 1952 language movement. So at first we know that in 1947 India and Pakistan became two independent country under the Indian Rule Act. Okay. And after that, the linguistic problems arose from the creation of the beginning of the Pakistan, and the Pakistani rulers wanted that the Urdu will be the state language of Pakistan, whole Pakistan. But on that time, the people of East Pakistan protested, and they started a language movement, and from that language movement we got Bangla as our language, okay, mother tongue. So student, at first you have to give the background of the language movement, then the causes of the language movement, then the result of the language movement, and then the significance of the language movement in details. Now number 3, explain the importance of that incident in our national life. We know that student, the language movement, it has a great impact on our national life, and Number 3, when you will write number 3 number questions, you have to follow these aspects, okay, these 4 aspects. That means the following aspects should be included in the interpretation: development of Bengali nationalism, elimination of economic disparity, movement for autonomy, and political victory. You have to add these 4 aspects in your writing pattern, okay, in number 3, when you will write number 3 number questions. Now, first one, development of Bengali nationalism. We know that, student, the language movement gave a birth to a sense of nationalism in the people of Bengali, okay, and it made Bengali a distinct existence, a distinct identity, and gave a sense of unity. So it is a nationalism. So how it had a impact on our national life, and it developed Bengali nationalism, you have to prove it. Number 2, elimination of economic disparity. We know, student, from the beginning, the Pakistan rulers started to exploit us, not only in cultural aspects but also politically and economically. And from this language movement, we started how to fight, how to protest against injustice, and this language movement made Bengalis aware of their rights. So you have to include this topic, okay, in your number 3 number questions. Number 3, movement for autonomy. It is movement for autonomy. So encouraged by this language movement, we wanted a self-government system for the East Pakistani people. Number 4, political victory. Student, we know that in 1970 elections is a landmark milestone in the history of Bangladesh independence, and it League led by Bangladesh Sheikh Mujibur Rahman won an absolute majority in this election, and this paved a new chapter, okay, for us, and we got our independence. Okay, now student, now assessment criteria. So indicator, if you want good marks, good remarks or good marks, you have to follow this criteria system, okay. And when you will write your assignment, if you face any problem, you can contact with us, okay. This is your subject teacher's name. You can contact through messenger or over phone. So student, and your submission date will be on next Saturday, 26 February. So student, you have to prepare your assignment very quickly, and before starting your writing, you have to read this topic from your textbook very carefully and attentively, and make your assignment and submit on next Saturday. Thank you, all of you.